JBNN, we keep you informed. I'm Michelle Jones, and in the news, pregnant woman among two murdered in Portland. Please remember to subscribe, share, leave us a comment, and click the notification bell to receive our daily news items. A pregnant woman was among two persons fatally shot in Portland last night. She has been identified as 28-year-old Shadae Pink of Campbell Avenue in Port Antonio. The other deceased is 23-year-old Keino James of Johntown Road, also in Port Antonio. The police indicate that a preliminary investigation is suggesting that the pregnant woman was the target of the attack. It has been theorized that the attack stemmed from a love triangle gone bad. The Port Antonio police report that about 11 o'clock on Tuesday night, Pink and James were among persons playing a game of domino at Alfred Lane in Portland when a silver Toyota Fielder motor car drove up and a gunman exited the rear of the vehicle and opened fire. At the end of the shooting, Pink, who was in an advanced state of pregnancy, and James were found suffering from gunshot wounds. They were taken to the Port Antonio hospital where they were pronounced dead. JBN, we keep you informed. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment, and click the notification bell to receive our daily news items.